Tired of unreliable water supply in remote areas? Wouldn't it be great to have a sustainable solution for your water needs? Meet SMG Modern Plumbing. We provide solar-powered water pumping systems designed for various applications, including agriculture, livestock, residential, and industrial needs. How it works? A solar water pumping system works by converting sunlight into electricity. The electricity powers a pump to draw water from a source like a well, river, or reservoir. The system primarily consists of three key components: solar panels, a controller, and a water pump. Plus, our systems enhance water accessibility in remote locations. Reduced or recurrent water bills, lower operating costs, environmental sustainability, enhanced water accessibility. Sounds exciting? Contact us at +256 705 212308 or visit our shop in Diba, Kampala, Uganda.